Right, I had a request for this video, and it's a common issue if you've never pulled the door panel on a Lincoln Town Car. It can be a little bit tricky, and you can wind up breaking stuff if you don't know what you're doing. So this is going to be a short and sweet video just to get to the point and let you know what the tricks are to getting these off. So most of the door panel is held in by those plastic push pin things that grab a hold of the hole and just pops in there. So it's just a matter of pulling it out with the push pins. But at the top of the door panel, there are 5 screws screwing the door panel into the actual door. It's just a matter of locating these, and it's not obvious. Yeah, this one I'm not positive you have to take off, but there's a chance, so go ahead and take that one out too. And these last 2 are at the ends of the door pull. Now that chrome trim there, that stays with the panel. And this is the piece, that center plastic piece that comes off. You need to get a screwdriver or something in between the chrome and the plastic and pop it off. But you need to be really careful. These things break really easy. These little tabs here on this plastic piece are the things that break, especially in the winter time when they get real cold. And then once you get the covers off, you'll see the screws down in there. There's one on each side now. And once you get all their screws off, just pull on the door panel, and then you're going to push up to get the panel off the windowsill. You don't have to disconnect any wires if you're just getting to your window motors or just working inside the door. You can just set the panel aside a little bit, and the wires are going to connect back into the door. You'll see the main connection if you just want to take your door panel and get it out of the way. But it's really not necessary. The wires are long enough to reach if you just set it inside the car. And that's it, man. 5 screws, and just pop it off. Peace.